Window tint for your home is a great way to control heat and increase energy efficiency, add privacy, and block UV rays from fading furniture and fabric. Applying window film with great results might be easier than you think. Just relax, follow the steps one at a time, and follow our tips for success. You'll want the following tools on hand for the installation: a tape measure, a squeegee, paper towels, a sharp knife, tape, liquid soap, and a spray bottle. Pour 16 ounces of water into a spray bottle and add 6 to 10 drops of liquid soap. Baby shampoo works best, but hand or dish soap will work too. Shake well to mix. If you have a pump type, one good pump of liquid soap to 16 ounces of water should do it. Now that you have the solution mixed, you're ready to clean your window. Having a clean glass surface is one of the most important steps you can take for successful results. Use your soapy solution and lint-free towels to make sure your window is completely free from grease, dirt, and lint to ensure the film's adhesiveness. Use a scraper or razor blade if necessary for a more detailed cleaning. Wrap the squeegee in a towel or lint-free cloth and thoroughly clean the window gaskets. Once your glass is thoroughly clean, measure the window frame width and height, then cut the film 2 inches bigger in each direction. This will give you a 1-inch margin of film around the frame to work with before you trim to size. The window film has 2 parts, the film and a clear backing liner. To remove the liner, apply a piece of masking tape to each side of one of the corners and keep them a little offset. Press the tape onto the corners firmly to ensure they will grasp the corner of the film. Pull them apart to separate the backing from the film. If you have someone helping you, have them hold the corners of the film. If not, tape the corners down to your cutting surface to keep the film flat as you pull the liner. Carefully pull the liner away while spraying the adhesive side of the film generously with the soapy solution. This will help prevent the adhesive side of the film from sticking to itself. Fully saturate the glass with the soap solution until beads of soapy water are running down the glass. Be very liberal with the solution. It helps to keep the film movable while you're setting it up for the squeegee. Make sure there is plenty of soapy water on both the film and the glass. Keeping everything wet is the only way to slide the film into position. Place the wet film onto the wet window, starting at the top, and slide it into place. Spray the top of the film lightly to help the squeegee glide better, and set the film into place by using the squeegee across the top and down the middle to make a capital T. Continue to squeegee from the center out to the edge to remove all bubbles and water solution. Now, we'll trim the edges around the water frame. Using the squeegee as a guide, trim the film around all 4 sides. After trimming the film, wrap the squeegee with paper towels and run the squeegee from the center all the way to the window gaskets to extract as much water as possible. You may notice some small water bubbles when you've completed the process. These will disappear over the next few days as the film dries and completely adheres to the glass. Your new window film installation is now complete. Wait 72 hours to allow the film to completely cure before cleaning your newly installed film.